Hi, we're Team Thumbs. Shivani's our product manager, Rob is our designer, I'm Anna, our front-end developer, and Mohammed is our back-end developer. What is Thumbs? Thumbs is a web extension that lets you upvote or downvote a product you bought on Amazon. This makes reviewing a product easier and builds a more informed shopping culture online. Do you spend hours on Amazon reading reviews before you buy a product? So do we. But how often do you actually review a product that you bought online? Almost never. Despite the role of reviews in the buying process, most e-commerce websites find it difficult to get people to review. We discover that the problem lies in the reviewing process. To review a product, you have to open a website, give a rating out of 5 stars, and then drop a comment about your experience. We asked some people about their experience with reviewing, and here's what they had to say about it.
Do you see the reviews of the products online before buying?
Yeah, I do review.
But
the
do you?
products. I do see the reviews of the products.
Okay. Do you review the products online after buying them?
No, I don't, but then it's a very lengthy process, so I never take the initiative to do it.
Second question. Do you look at reviews and how much value do they give you before buying a product? Yeah, so I do look at the reviews with a grain of salt. I believe that there are people who are genuinely interested in reviewing these items, and their opinion will help me purchase this, and it might work for me. As I said though, there are problems.
Before buying them?
Yeah, I do see everything, and then I'll get an idea what to buy, what product is good.
Okay. But do you ever go back and review the product once you bought it?
I should.
Do you never review it, or do you review it sometimes?
So I review it when I get some incentives. So I've seen this Amazon thing where they give a $10 discount if I review. So I would review them for that.
Okay. Product.
I do spend a lot of time looking at the reviews in order to decide should I buy or not.
Okay. And do you ever review the product once you bought it?
Rarely, only when Amazon keep on pestering me to review it, that's when I go ahead and review it.
So when we interviewed people with different levels of exposure to the e-commerce website, more than 80% of them confirmed that the problem lies in the long reviewing process. So we wanted to design Thumbs to make the reviewing process more efficient. We started off as a desktop idea with a Chrome extension window. And we moved away from the desktop design because we did not want users to have to be on separate windows. And so the new direction with the on-page widget shows that users can vote for different styles, but technological constraints had forced us to simplify it further. And so with our current solution, we wanted to make Thumbs as simple as possible with just an upvote and a downvote option. And here's what it looks like on an Amazon web page. In the future, we'd like to implement some of the earlier design functions, such as building out a landing page and also adding additional voting options. But for now, I'm going to pass it over to Anna, and she's going to show you how the product works.
Hi everyone, I'm Anna, the front-end developer on this team, and I'm going to walk you through our MVP. This is our landing page. It houses additional info about Thumbs and has call to action buttons that segue you to the web extension store where you can download our widget. Let's take a look at what that widget looks like in action. So right now I'm on Amazon. I'm going to click on an item to open up a product detail page. And you'll see that the Thumbs widget comes up right here underneath the title. We're using PostgreSQL in the backend to store all of our data. So the numbers you see here will correspond to that particular item they're looking at. If I try to upvote on this item right now, I'm not going to be able to because I'm not logged in. We're using Google Auth for user authentication, and I'm a returning user here. But eventually, we plan to increase the number of providers with Facebook, Apple, Amazon, etc. Now that I'm logged in, I should be able to downvote this product, and there you go. You'll only be able to upvote or downvote once per product. We also have this little icon on the extension bar at the top right, and if I click on it, I have the option to log out or to head back to our landing page to learn more. There's a growing difference between Chrome and Firefox web extension implementations, so our challenge now will be to maintain these versions on both browsers. We have a lot of ideas, and we're excited to implement them in version 2. Stay tuned.